Hi kindergarten, this is Mrs. Rohrig. I am going to show you how to play Addition Fill It Up today. So as you can see in front of me, I have 2 cups, and that's because I'm playing with 2 people. So I'm going to be playing with myself and a partner. You can play this game with more people if you have more siblings at home, or if mom and dad want to play too. You can have more than 2 players. You can play, I like to play up to 4 or 5 players. So each person gets a cup, and then you need something to be able to fill up your cup. These are flat marbles that I have laying at my house. So just anything. You could use cereal, jelly beans, anything that you have lying around the house that you think would be a good thing to fill up your cups with. Okay, so I'm going to be using the flat marbles. And then you need 2 dice. So when we play this game, I also like to add to it by grabbing a piece of paper and a pencil so that I can write my addition problems on it. This is just extra. You do not have to do this, but I enjoy doing this. That way I can practice using those symbols, like the addition sign and the equal sign when writing addition problems. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to play. I'm going to go first, so I'm going to take my dice and roll them. I have a 5 and a 2, so I can write down 5 plus 2 equals 7. So then what I would do is I would take 7 of my whatever I'm using as counters and put them in my cup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, and then it would be my partner's turn. So my partner would roll. They rolled a 2 and a 2. All together makes 4. So they would put 4 in their cup. And I would have them write down their equation on their piece of paper. Just again for extra writing on equations. So you can practice that equation by using those symbols too. And then I would go a 5 and a 3 this time. So I could write 5 plus 3 equals 8. So I'm going to take 8 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then it's my partner's turn. They have a 5 and a 2. So they would be writing this down. 5 plus 2 equals 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, and then it would be my turn again. Now, once you are done, you would be done when you figure out who reaches the very top of your cup first. So you'll have to pay close attention as you go along to see who reaches the top first. Good luck! Make sure you share with Mrs. Miller and I who the winner is for your game.